Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung microwave not heating in 2026. So when the microwave runs but does not heat, it simply means that the magnetron is not generating the heat or the power is not reaching it properly. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check the door closure and the switches. Microwaves will not heat if the door is not detected as fully closed. So you need to simply close the door firmly and listen for a click. Check for the dirt or the obstruction in the latch area and make sure that the door is properly closed. After doing so, you need to simply test the power level settings. So make sure that the microwave is not set to the low power mode. So if it does, you need to set it to full power and then try heating it again. Sometimes the incorrect settings can cause the weak or no heating at all. Now, even after doing both of these steps, it is still not working. You can just simply perform a reset in that situation. For that, you can either press the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds and then wait for it to reset it completely. Or if you are not able to find the reset or the power button here, you can unplug the microwave and leave it as it is for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and then run a test. So this also going to clear the temporary control glitches. So you can try these methods one by one and see if your microwave is now heating properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.